Yo, I think he fucked up his bike, bro. Of oil everywhere. So this is the start to our Taco Tuesday night. Full of the rain. Bunch of rain. Got all the bikes out. We were riding for a little bit, got caught up, so we parked it up, letting the rain pass by. Got the S1K, 25 Dixon 1000, 25 S1000, another Gen 3, Miguel's Gen 3 out here. Waiting a little bit till the rain kind of passes by, and then so we can keep riding. So, gotta get ready for that Taco Tuesday, man. Alright, so we're riding to the other Wawa. Meet up with everybody else. It was raining, so I think everybody kind of gave it a little break, but now we're chilling. The roads are still a little wet, but it feels really good out. It's nice and cool, so we're good. We are good, man.
Can't have my boss. I haven't been that slow in years.
Huh?
I haven't been that slow in years. Huh.
He's got a I don't know what size.
Like 15 pounds.
He said he's running 15 pounds on it. What we were talking about is it's super flat. Like that tire's only good to go fast in a straight line. Like there's no like ball on it. Like if you look at my tire, it's got a nice little like ball on it, so you can roll on it side to side, and it moves easier.
So hard.
Huh?
That's why when I take off, it's so hard.
Yeah, I guess it like twists. Yeah. But there's like with the, because I have a 190, he's got a 180. With the 190 55, it's got a nice round like crown to it, so when you're on the road you can, you know, throw side to side. We got the other S1K over there. I think he's saying second gear. Creeping up on me, that's awesome. And he gave me the hit. That bike's fast, man. It's spinning bad. You can't do really nothing out here. Yeah, I keep spinning. It is what it is. It makes sense. I mean, the roads are completely soaked, so makes sense, but it is what it is. Should be pulling up to that other place pretty soon. Almost there. It's like right around the corner, so. Pulling up to the meet like we always do. Let's see if we got something different coming in. It does feel really, really nice to be out, man. I will say that. It's just super nice to be out. Nice and cool. Sun is down. Earlier today that it was insane how hot it was, but we're good now, man. Just made it to the spot. Got everybody out here. There you go. That's it. I'm fucked. I'm canceled now. I'm canceled now. Got the stretched 600 next to the stretched 750 out here. Next to the stretched Gottigix 1000. Everybody got blocks out here stretching their bikes. We're all out here. Got the H2, the illegal bike.
I got a Ford as the shit shirt.
Got the brother. Got the older Gen ZX10. The S1K. Got everybody else out here. The wheelie guy.
Place bets. I'm thinking loose chain. No, because I.
Everybody over here. This is the. You got another S1K over here with the CBR 600. Oh man, it's got carbon everywhere.
I didn't realize they were gonna leave so fast, so we're currently trying to keep up, or well, catch up. Looks like they're not far. I think I hear them. That guy didn't have no lights on. Well, that's Mia. Mia don't have no lights on her bike. I think that's, I want to say that's Tito's bike with a light guy on it. Yeah. But yeah, bro. Regardless, that bike's fast. But he's got a light on it, and whoa keeps jumping in front of him. Dude, that thing hit my freaking... Dude, something smacked my face. Bro. Yo, I think he fucked up his bike, bro. Yo, that thing smacked... Holy crap, it smacked the front of my, my visor. Holy crap, that scared the crap out of me, dude. Am I still recording? I am recording. Oh my god, dude. Yo, huh?
That's fuel.
Huh?
It's fuel.
Dude, something smacked my face, bro. Whatever he did, it hit my face. It hit. Dude, oh my, that shit smacked my visor, bro.
What was it?
I don't know.
It's fuel. It's all fuel.
Bro, something fucking he did the pull, and whatever it was came flying at my dude. Holy crap.
It's all fuel. Dude, I almost went down in it.
Bro, yeah, bro. Yeah, whatever it was, it smacked me in the face.
Hey, that's all fuel. Well, I did a wheelie. Yeah, I blew my fucking thing. It just went down in it.
It smacked. Luckily, I had my visor down. It smacked me dead center. Look.
Yeah.
It smacked me dead center in my face.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I kept hitting the gas and it just bang.
Yeah.
I said, what the fuck?
I seen it. What'd you do? Pop a oil pan? It came out? Dude, bro, that's what hit me, bro.
You got it back.
So looks like his drain plug came out, and that's what hit me in the face.
Holy shit.
Luckily it's not
Dude, I almost...
they must have not tightened it and it popped out.
Yeah.
Bro, you know how many times this nigga's done that because he doesn't tighten it down?
Dude, that shit is dangerous, bro. If I had my fucking visor up, it would have went in my face. Luckily, my visor was down. I probably have oil everywhere.
Shit is hot as fuck too.
Yeah. Dude, I probably have fucking oil everywhere. Hold on. Look at this, man. We came back to the bike. I have oil everywhere. All over the front of the bike. It's everywhere, man. You can see it here. His drain plug came out and smacked me in the visor. Luckily I had my visor down, but it smacked me right in the visor. And you can see the rest of the oil just shot up all on the front of my face. So it's gotta get cleaned quick. But yeah, so his bike's good. He turned it off in time, but it does suck because it threw oil everywhere, man. All right, YouTube. So a quick little recap of the video. Wolf's drain plug bolt came out and it went straight towards my face. Luckily I had the visor down. Luckily I had the visor down because, or else I would have went straight to my face. So God was with me with that, and he made sure that my visor was down. When it came through, it threw oil everywhere. I went ahead and cleaned it up real good. But that's just to say, keep your visor down and make sure it's all good. We left the spot. He's gonna put a new drain plug in it, put fresh oil in it, that way he can get home. But yeah, make sure your drain plug's bolts tight, keep your visor down. It was a quiet ride home, so that's why I'm doing the outro now, because I didn't record anything on the way out. I just, quiet ride home, oil everywhere. So, but yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in once again. I really appreciate all the support and everything like that. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, interact in some way, shape, or form. And until next time, bye.